Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
After just joining Italian Serie A outfit AS Roma, news has emerged that reggae boy Leon Bailey could be sidelined for up to 3 weeks after suffering a muscle injury during his first training session on Wednesday. 28-year-old Bailey arrived in Italy on Tuesday to complete his medical and was later unveiled by AS Roma. He's expected to undergo tests on Thursday. President of the Intersecondary School Sports Association, Issa Keith Wellington, says all systems go for the upcoming Manning and the Costa Cups after the launch of the schoolboy football season on Wednesday. Speaking at the launch, Wellington says over 100 schools will be competing across the two competitions.
Well, similar number of schools as last year. We have 77 Costa Cup teams and I think 39 Manning Cup teams. The format is similar to what we have had over the last couple of years.
Head coach of current Manning Cup and Olivier Shield holders, Kingston College, Vassarenas, believes that they are ready for the 2025 campaign.
Yes, strategically we have selected some games that we wanted to be a part of, some tournament games, just to give everybody the kind of preparation minutes that is required to enter the competition come week after next.
The new schoolboy football season will start on September 6 as the Costa Cup champions Garvey Maceo will clash with Fogo Road, while in the late encounter defending Manning Cup and Olivier Shield champions Kingston College will go up against Charlie Smith. And finally, veteran jockey Philip Parchment has had his initial 25 race day ban by the Jamaica Racing Commission stewards reduced to 6 days following Wednesday's appeal hearing. The initial ban for deliberate and intentional intimidation and interference at the start of the Jamaica Oaks on August 2 was handed down last Tuesday. Parchment was represented by President of the Jamaica Jockeys Agents Association Donovan Wilson, while fellow riders Wesley Callaloo Henry and Dick Cardenas also gave evidence. Jamaica Racing Commission Chairman Clovis Metcalf explained to Radio Jamaica Sports some of the pertinent points assessed during the appeal hearing.
Based on the submissions, questions and answers, it was determined by the board that Parchment was guilty of interference, intimidation, careless and dangerous riding, and the use of a loose left rein exiting the gates was of concern. Also of concern was the fact that Parchment continually interfered with Cardenas' horse after earlier correcting his horse.
I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.